Back here, all me. Right here though, maybe.
Bumping like I'm bumping, you ain't saying nothing, homie, you ain't fresh as I'm in.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wait a minute, hold up, put my wig back on real quick. I was getting it with Bow Wow. Hold up, ooh, pin it back real quick. Hey y'all. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝐿𝐅. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also sipping slaying. Your girl got her WowWow today. Actually, lemon water today because your girl's in her detox mode. Okay, intermittent fasting and detox. So no wine for me today, just water. But anyway, do y'all see this wig on me? All that is lace. My hairline is blended up in here, okay? But the rest of that, the wig. And guess what? She is glueless. So if you want to see how to blend your lace and create a natural hairline without glue, make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit is from WowAfrican. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check it out, you can. Let us just go ahead and prep this wig. I have been real good the last couple videos at washing my wig, but I'm just not mentally. I just want to get this wig on my head and get out the door because I got a lot of things to do today and I'm all over the place. So I just want to show you guys how to, get your wigs ready to go out the pack. So first I need to tint my lace. I'm going to use the Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, any color, creamy brown. Nope, no it's not. This is milk chocolate. Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, suppressed powder, any color milk chocolate to tint the edge of my lace. I don't care to waste product around the actual inside of the cap because you can't see all the lace in there. I don't know if I'm doing a middle part or a side part, but we'll see. I know I will need to kind of fix my hairline a bit because even though it does come with the pre-everything, they kind of pressed it all back. I think I might want to do a headband look. Do I have a headband? This is their 𝐿𝐼𝐆𝐆 cap, so it does come with the removable combs and the drawstring. I'm gonna take out the 2 combs on the side. I'm gonna leave the comb in the back and I will tighten down the drawstring if need be once I put the wig on my head. Put this around and then I'm gonna take my hair and wig perfume to spray on this wig. I was at the dentist's office last week before last, and I had this wig spray on my hair because my wig was stale. And she was like, girl, what is that? I love it. Here's the link, sis. And she was a sis. So freshen up them wigs. They can smell you. Let's get it on. I'm pretty sure this is a one size fits all cap. Give me my ear. Golly. Ooh, that blends really nice with my forehead. This is a 9x6 cap. I like that. Y'all see that? I can't. Hold up. Who is this? I know it's Net in Paris. Hey. My cousins. What y'all talking about? That looks really good. I think. Let me put my glasses on because y'all know I can't see nothing. No ball cap. It just blends. Shoot, I could have put this joint on in my car. Before I even think about bumping anything or cutting anything, I'm going to use my blow dry brush and kind of press through the hair a little bit. Feel a track right there. Let me brush that over. This is 250% density, and I like that for me. And I'm pretty sure I've tried a 180 Yaki from WowAfrican. It was pretty, it was pretty decent. A very natural type of density. This gives a little bit more thickness. Let me tighten down that drawstring in the back. I didn't think I needed to, but it's definitely given. Go ahead and tighten me down, sis. Pull it from both sides. There we go. Make sure you be careful. I have broken one of these before. And then tuck it under. And she's not going nowhere. All right, this is their 16-inch. Let me see something right quick. So if I measure per strand, come all the way down. Keep going. There it is. Right there. It's kind of giving 18. It says 16. Let me double check. Yeah, this is 16. And each strand is 16. Not root to last tip. No. Each strand is 16. I like that for me. I also like my hairline to look a certain way. So take my Nairobi mousse. Just a smidge. Like that. To blend this hairline in with my edges. I don't want swoops or baby hair or baby swoops, whatever. Harley, please sit down. I just want mine to kind of be laid with the wig. Just a little swoopage. Some of these might be a little bit too long, so I'm just gonna trim them Just like that. Just give me a little bit of wispiness around my front. Cut it a little bit shorter when I need to. I can pull out some of this. Keep messing with this. I think that looks pretty good. I can bump my ends, but before I do that, I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup really quick. Put a little bit of my setting powder under my eyes before I do the makeup. It just helps hold the product in. Blend this in. I want fluffy brows today. Should I do an updated makeup routine? You know, with my 5-minute face, because y'all know I don't do a bunch of makeup no more. I've perfected my quick makeup routine, whether it's a full face of film and makeup or just my out the door makeup. So let your girl know, and I'll make sure I do that for y'all. So let me just flatten this part out right here because it's raised up. Put it on hot and high. Move real fast. There are some short pieces up here on the top of the wig. When I first started reviewing wigs, I thought that was like part of the scam, okay, to not give you the correct amount of hair, but it's not. That's just because of how the process is to ventilate the frontal. They just double it up and loop it through. So 1 strand becomes 2 strands. And sometimes those are just filler hairs. Let me use a little bit of my wax stick just to get the rest of those down. Not too much because I want it to look as natural as possible. I don't want a very sleek type of look. I want to give the illusion that, you know, this is my hair. So the more, not disheveled, because I don't want to look a mess, but the more like kind of frizzy the hair looks, I just feel like it gives a more like natural vibe. I'm gonna use a little bit of my edge control here to lay down those hairs in the front that may be a little bit too wispy. They're kind of poking up just to kind of help it lay flat. Due to this being a 9x6, the lace is gonna stop right above my sideburn. So I'm just gonna pull some of that hair loose like that from the wig. Put my glasses back on top. It does have the C-shaped ear tab, so my glasses fit very comfortably over top my ear. That's the wig. Ciao. What glue? I really like how this is looking. This is just clipped in the back here. I'm gonna have to get me some bobby pins and pin that back. Add a little bump to my ends. And now I'm just gonna pin it back how I had it. Cross it over and then bobby pin it. Hold up, I need one more bobby pin right in here. I got this weird little piece right here. I'm just gonna cut that off. Okay, and I think we are blended pretty nicely. Okay, so here is the final look. Do I need to put some powder over there? I'm gonna do a little bit of contour powder right here because it's catching the light just right. And I don't want it to show too much lace. The whole point is to blend my hairline. Let me see. Yeah, if I tip my head over, you can see a little bit more. I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette. This is in medium to dark, and I'm using the contour shade. I don't want to do too much because then it'll look a little muddy. The parting space can pretty much stay as it is. I'm not going to add any product into that. No glue whatsoever around my hairline, and it blends really well. Line of demarcation where? I mean, you know, if I do like this, you can see it because it's fabric, but the whole point is to make them take a second look. Back here, all me. Right here though, maybe. It looks real good and healthy, and this is without the wash. If you wash your wig, you will need to blow dry it and then press it out again to get it back to this state. Now, usually for my specs, this wig is a little, you know, it's a little up there in the price point. However, okay, hang that phone up. WowAfrican is having their spring sale with 30% off everything. So my unit with the coupon code is $240. But if you want the 180 density, the wig would be about $220. And you see what I get with my wig. All the inches. No trick measuring with this one. Okay, you get the inches that you pay for. WowAfrican is a brand that I consider to be more high quality, especially when it comes to their textured units. So, you know, do what you want with the information. Hold on, I had to bring the hair out really quick. Y'all see the luster? You can even do a side part. Ooh, this hair is soft. This is exactly why WowAfrican is one of my top brands to work with and to buy from, because y'all see the quality? Ooh, we just, we locked in. But yeah, it's about time for me to get up out of here. I got some people to go trick. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.